Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Nikki with Jess Ford, and today we're talking all about towing. So today's Ford trucks have gotten really smart when it comes to towing. So today I wanted to do an overview video of everything about towing. Now that goes from setting up a trailer, hitch assist, Pro Trailer backup assist, trailer light check, security features, and even how your truck remembers your trailers automatically. If you know how to back up a trailer or hook up to a trailer, or you don't want to use these features, awesome.
This video ain't for you.
If you do need help or aren't the most confident with a trailer, this is where Ford can help. We are going to add a trailer. So we're going to go to Features, Towing, Add a Trailer. So the trailer name, I am just going to name it 18 because it's an 18-footer. Trailer type is going to be conventional. Let's continue. Save. Continue to setup.
Okay, so I have to record my voice because a diesel literally came and parked right next to me. But here is the trailer brake type, and it's really important to get this correct. Most owners are going to select the electric brakes, which is what the majority of campers, utility trailers, and equipment trailers use. If your trailer has an electric over hydraulic octator, typically found on large RVs, boat trailers, or commercial trailers, you'll want to select the electric over hydraulic so the truck communicates correctly with the braking system. And it's really important that you select correctly because each system tells the trailer how to brake very differently. So electric brakes, you'll typically see wires running directly to the axle brake assemblies and no hydraulic octator. But with the electric over hydraulic system, you'll usually see a hydraulic pump or octator box mounted on the trailer tongue with brake lines running from it to the axles.
So we're going to use the default. We're going to go medium. Trailer length. This is an 18-footer. And it's just under 7 feet. So we're just going to do 7 feet. Confirm. Okay, I'm not hooked up to it yet. And so now our 18-foot trailer is activated. So something you can keep track is the trailer trip. So here it keeps track of how far the trailer has gone. And it also shows you the fuel economy while you're hooked up to this trailer. Okay, so now we're going to use the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist. I'm going to hit that button. Is the trailer connected? No. And again, do you have to use this feature?
No.
Okay, system initializing. Okay, we're in the green. Shift to neutral. Neutral. Press and hold to use. We're holding. I have absolutely, let's go in 0.5. No control. I mean, I do have control, but I am not doing this. I'm not touching the gas. I'm not touching the brake. I'm not touching the steering wheel. It's doing it for me, and I hope you can see all of this. I'm just holding a button. Okay, so system pause. Make sure the trailer coupler is 1/2 inch to 3 inches higher than the hitch ball. Let's go check. Okay, so we're back in. Shift to neutral. Press and hold the button to resume. We're back at it. Booyah. Let's go check and see if it worked. Oh, kind of an overkill, my bad. Okay, so now is Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show that on this video because we have a dedicated video just to Pro Trailer Backup Assist. So if you click, I can't remember what corner it is. If you click on that video up there, it'll take you to our dedicated video to Pro Trailer Backup Assist. If you've made it this far along in the video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we come up with educational and helpful videos just like this one for the average consumer. Subscribe. So this might be one of my favorite features, towing features on Ford trucks, is the trailer light check. No longer are the days where you need two people to check the trailer lights. All you have to do is go to trailer light check in your settings, hit it, and then it'll cycle through right blinker, left blinker, your brake lights, all of that 5 times, which gives you an ample amount of time to get out of your vehicle, go back there, make sure all the lights are working because we don't want you to get pulled over. We don't want you to get a ticket. This feature is waiting to be used. So in your towing, all you got to do is trailer light check. So remember, it goes through those 4 things. You want to make sure all 4 of these are working before you come back inside. So let's hit start and go check and see if these trailer lights work. There's our left turn signal, our right turn signal, brake lights, and reverse lights. And then it goes through it again. There we go. Let's go back inside. Okay, a cool thing. If you go to, let's go to towing. Let's go to manage trailers and select the trailer. I would do this on all of my trailers. Trailer connection alarm. If your vehicle is locked and someone disconnects the trailer, your vehicle's alarm will go off. I highly recommend doing that. Let's say you're at a rodeo and you're in the arena and someone tries disconnecting your horse trailer. Your alarm will go off so that it alerts people around you that someone's trying to steal your trailer. If you're in a hotel and in the middle of the night, someone tries to steal your trailer, boom, your alarm goes off and will help deter those people trying to steal your trailer. So I highly recommend the trailer connection alarm. If you ever need to change settings on your trailer that you've already added, go to manage trailers, hit the trailer you need to update, and here you can change the name, type, anything and everything. Brake type, brake gain, all that jazz. The next thing I'm going to talk about is Ford's security package. Now, I know this doesn't really pertain to towing, but I think it's a really helpful feature that towers should really pay attention to because if you own a boat, that's $100,000. If you own a camper, that's $50,000. If you own an enclosed trailer or honestly anything of value, which trailers are valuable, this could be one of the most underrated features that Ford offers. Now, I know people are going to have opinions about this, but it is a subscription-based feature that Ford offers. Let us know your opinions down in the comments. But you pay a fee, and I think it's like $7.99 a month. But what it does is once it's activated in the Ford Pass app, if someone tries to open a door or break into your vehicle or your vehicle moves at weird times, like let's say 2 a.m., notifications are sent directly to your phone, letting you know, hey, something weird's going on. It just can help deter and notify you when someone is not only trying to steal your vehicle, but what's attached to your vehicle, which can be very, very expensive. If you want to add extra security, all you have to do is turn on that smart inhibit in the Ford Pass app. And let's say if you lost your keys are stolen, or you just want additional security, turn on that smart inhibit. And even if the keys are inside the vehicle, nobody can start the vehicle until you turn that smart inhibit off. So basically, you put your truck in a digital lockdown until you turn it off. So on top of that, the Ford security package offers something called stolen vehicle assistance. So if your vehicle is stolen, number one thing is call the police. After that is done, you can go through the Ford app or call the line, the number, which I'll put down below. And basically, a live Ford agent will work with the law enforcement to help locate your vehicle. And I think it's really cool that Ford agents, like Ford actually has people involved in the recovery process of your vehicle. So again, if you're hauling a $100,000 boat or a $50,000 camper or something like horses in a trailer, security suddenly becomes very, very important. And while these features are specifically designed to protect the truck, it adds another layer of protection for when you're staying in a hotel and can't see your vehicle, or you're camping, or leaving a vehicle parked overnight somewhere. It is just added protection to items, expensive items that need protection. So if you have questions about anything towing that we covered or didn't cover, let us know in the comments or email me at marketing@jessford.com so that I can help you. If you want more real world examples or you want to dive deeper into a specific part of something, let me know. We create content for what the people need, because sometimes owner manuals are hard, honestly. But again, I'm Nikki with Jess Ford. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope you see us next time.